Hi guys, today I want to do a little experiment. Some of you might have heard about this. User Blind Assassin came up with this design of a new MX-compatible slider and matching housing, both made of POM, for use with Alps switches. So all of you who have lamented not being able to get good caps for Alps, your salvation has come. Also, new top housings for Alps switches is already a pretty great thing, as they should be very useful for restorations. The plastic feels extremely slippery and slick, typical for POM, and even comes with the slits of old pine housings. Nice! Mind you, the key company who sell these did say that they were a tight fit for some caps and that you might want to shave off a tiny bit for some sets. And yes, I tested it, they do stretch SA cap stems, so don't say I didn't warn you. So of course there's really only one thing to do now, test the best sounding MX caps, in my opinion ABS SA caps, against the best sounding Alps caps, in my opinion OG Alps double shots. Here's 4 Nexus SKCM Blue switches in an Acer KB101A, which I'm going to fit with these SA caps, as well as 4 standard SKCM Blue, on which I'll put some of these OG Alps double shots. So let the games begin. Now, as should be easy to hear, the SA plus Nexus configuration is a lot bassier than the standard Alps loadouts, but the Nexus sliders do seem to make the click leaves rattle a lot inside the housings or something, because there's a definitive metallic rattle inside there. By contrast, the Alps configuration is less bassy of course, but it lacks the rattle and sounds much more clear and defined. The feeling isn't 100% the same, but to be honest I don't think I could feel which is which in a blind test, so it's quite similar at least. That's it for this short experiment video. I hope you liked it, and see you next time.